Alright, American Airlines is going to take off. I think it's going to take off. Looks like it's on the runway. Yeah. Here's an update on the El Paso airport. They have not put in the new jet bridges yet. Oh, and there's a plane taking off right there. Looks like a private airplane. No, I don't think it's taking off. I might be waiting. But this is an El Paso airport update. They did not put in the new jet bridges yet. Looks like all of them are still the same. As you can see right there, it looks like B2 is getting ready to be taken down. So you can see right there. B2, I think they're going to replace that one first because it's all the way up high. I'm hoping we get the glass jet bridges here like in the Amarillo airport. There's 2 American Airlines planes. Excuse me? No, I don't. Here goes one of them. It's gonna take off. Oh, never mind. It's not. Oh no! It looks like it's waiting to go into the jet bridge. There's another family doing plane spotting there too, like I am. No, it's pulling into the gate. It's not gonna take off. And guys, they will be building a new rental car center where my camera is pointing. Right in that empty space, there's gonna be a rental car center. I am hoping they have scenic elevators. Oh, and there's a private airplane landing onto runway 8R. And we're also getting a parking garage for the rental car center too, 3 stories. I will be doing updates on how the progress is going here, along with the rental car center and along with the replacement of all the jet bridges. And it doesn't look like we're getting any planes taking off today. We just got that one taking off on runway 8R. Looks like that American Airlines is waiting for clearance to take off on runway 8R. Looks like that other plane over there is waiting too. Alright, I'm going to stop the camera here and we're going to wait until this American Airlines taxis to runway 8R. It's been a long time since I've done plane spotting videos because they did reopen this road. So like before it used to be closed. I was almost stop the video here for now. Alright, we got a United Express plane taking off. Looks like it's going to Houston or to Denver. There it goes. Looks like American Airlines is next for takeoff. Okay. There it goes. It's gonna take off. Going to Dallas, Fort Worth. Wow. Southwest Airlines just landed and American Airlines just took off all at the same time. Southwest Airlines landed on runway 22 all the way from over there. This is really awesome. And there goes American Airlines going high up in the air. RD Penguin 1, your dad probably took off on that exact same runway American Airlines took off on. I think once today are coming in from the southeast, so it's probably that exact same runway. And Southwest Airlines is going to either gate B4 or B6. I think I'm gonna stop. Oh. You can hear the announcements all the way from here. That's kind of cool. Their truck. Alright, I think I'm gonna stop the video here. Southwest Airlines is going to be going into the gate now, which is in back of the airport. I will be probably coming here again in a few weeks to see how the airport progress is doing, construction-wise, with the rental car center and the new jet bridges we're supposed to be getting. And guys, this is going to be it.